Hey everyone, if you want to enable dark mode in Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode and make your browsing easier on the eyes. First, dark mode reduces eye strain, saves battery on some devices, and makes browsing more comfortable at night. Start by opening Vivaldi. Click the Vivaldi menu in the top left corner and go to Settings. In Settings, click on Themes. Yeah, this is where all appearance settings are located. Now select a dark theme like dark or ash dark. Once selected, the browser interface instantly switches to dark mode. You can also customize accent colors, background colors, and transparency for a more personal look. Now go to Settings again, search for Web Pages, and enable Force Dark Mode for websites if available. You can also sync Vivaldi with your system theme, so it automatically switches between light and dark mode. If the theme doesn't apply immediately, restart Vivaldi. Yeah, this ensures all UI elements update properly. A common mistake is only changing system dark mode and expecting Vivaldi to change automatically. You also need to select a Vivaldi theme. For the best experience, use a high contrast dark theme and enable dim images for better night reading. If you work long hours, dark mode helps reduce eye fatigue. I mean especially when browsing at night, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable dark mode in Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.